stopped at a place called Emdale, which is halfway between Wilcannia and Cobar. I've been riding from Broken Hill this morning. It's been pretty hot. A few emus on the road, a few goats. Anyway, we've got here, it's safe and sound, and just having a cool drink. I'd just like to show you some of the accommodation that we're staying in on the trip. This is the pub at Cobar. It's cheap accommodation, normally $50 a night. This one's actually $80 a night, but it's got an ensuite, so it's a little bit more, but it's not too bad actually. So I'll just show you through. So you've got TV, double bed and single bed. I've got the bench for my computer, AC, you need it out here, fridge, obviously an ensuite toilet, an ensuite shower. Cheap accommodation, but that's all you need in these trips. Just need a nice clean bed for the night.